Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Back in another MongoDB tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to read about how to insert the documents in a collection. Means how to insert a record in a table. That is some simple. So let us start. Show databases. So I have a database as MyDB. So switch to MyDB. Use MyDB. Show collection, and we have a student one as a collection. So here I'm creating a new one, student. So db dot student is my collection dot insert. Actually, insertion in this MongoDB, we have a two-way to insert. First is for inserting a single document, means inserting a single record at a time, single document at a time. In MongoDB, I'm talking about documents because the record is equivalent to document in MongoDB. So in MongoDB, first thing is to insert a single record, and second thing is insert a multiple record. So for inserting a single record, we have object as we have read in JSON also. So here I have given the symbol of object curly brackets and then give the property of the field of the students. So commonly we have name. So name or we start roll number first of all, roll number, and give here roll number 1, then comma, another field, for example name, comma, colon, because colon key and value pair as we have read in JSON also, and name is, suppose my name is Vipin, again comma, another field name, and we can put his here age, and then age is 34, 24, whatever you want to give. Then we may have a class also in the records class, or we may have here, for example, we are in MCA, MTech, CSB Tech, so we can put here 10th. Okay, 10th. Okay, so here is a one record at a time or one document at a time. So we call it single document at a time. Press enter. So one record have been inserted. If another record you want to insert, then same thing. Roll number, change the roll number to 2. Change the name here, Sachin, and change the age also 32, and same class. Other record have been inserted. One more record if you want to insert, again change the roll number and name and age, maybe you have same age, or class you can change here, class you can see 12th, enter. One more record have been inserted. Okay, so if you want to insert multiple record at a time, we can do also the command like db dot student is a collection name, then insert. But here for inserting a multiple document, we should have a array symbol here like this. Okay, for insert a array inside a array, we have to give a curly brackets for a one object. Okay, if another object you want to insert, then another curly bracket, another you want to insert, then another curly bracket. So I want to insert here three record at a time, three document at a time. So there are three objects within an array. Now you can give the name and roll number like this we have inserted earlier also. So roll number, then 3 have been done, so we have 4, then name, colon, then give the name here Ravi. Okay, then again age is, suppose we have 20 here, then we have a class also, and Here class we can put 12th. Okay, so this is a one object. Okay, have been completed in array. Now another object, same roll number. Okay, and put roll number here 5. And then we have a name. Okay, again Vipin. And then we have age also. Then is 25. Okay, so we are leaving class here. No, we are not using class. We can leave any field if you want. We don't have any recording class, so we can leave it. Again, roll number. Okay, and we have here roll number 6 and name also. Name we can put Naresh. Okay, we are using here only these. We are not using is okay. We are not using here age and your class also. So put then enter. So we have inserted three document at a time or three record at a time. So as you see, you can insert single record also. Single record is called in one object. So just put the curly brackets, give the one record at a time, one document. You can insert easily. We have insert three records, 1, 2, and 3. Remaining your documents I have inserted within an array. So array means multiple objects, multiple records. So we have a three records here. So I have given you the example of how to insert single record at a time or multiple records or documents in a MongoDB database. Okay, let's see you in next tutorial.